The stage is set. Now, we just need the gear.
Manifest locked. Ready to roll. Safe passage to Tiny Truck Town. Filters and tools locked and loaded.
I'm on the clock. Moving out.
Heavy iron is ready for transport. They won't budge an inch. I've got them. Target in sight. Copy that.
I'm nearby if you need a lead.
Right on the dot. Perfect timing.
That makes tomorrow's mission a whole lot easier.
Inventory synchronized.
The garage is officially operational.
Everything's set for service day.
Good haul, team. Rest up. Looks like a good day for maintenance. Everything runs better after a check. That oil worked hard.
Fresh oil should keep things smooth. New filter is ready.
This will help airflow. That bucket has seen a lot of work. The edge will hold again.
Feels better already. Parts are back in place.
That keeps the yard clear. Everything moves like it should. Oh, good to be ready again.
All set for the next job.
Thanks for the help today.